Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So, I was disassembling a motor and decided why not let you guys in on the catastrophe. So, as you guys can see, the rod snapped in this Grom motor, completely tearing up the bottom end. Like, these cases are useless. Look at this. Like, so much metal. The bearings were fine, but like everywhere is just, oh my gosh, like this rod was just relentless. It snapped off and just came in here and just, oh my god, like it's just insane because like we were like under the impression, like, fingers were crossed that it was just the big bore kit that had to be reordered, top end and whatnot. Look at that. She was trying to get the hell up out of there. So this was a 186 big bore kit on a 125cc Grom. Now, I'm just going to go out and say this for anyone that is going to do a big bore kit on a Grom. If it's a stock Grom and you are going more than like 170, get the Kataco H-beam crankshaft. That will handle at minimum 170 at least, and this is a 186 kit, so the stock crank is not going to handle any of that. Now, this isn't a motor that I built. I didn't do this rebuild, I didn't do this big bore kit, none of that. This is strictly a customer's bike. I get the honors of redoing the motor. I tore her down, had to contact him and let him know that the real damage was within the cases. So we're going to get some new cases ordered up and get this girl put back together, and then get that crankshaft in there and get this big bore kit up and going the right way. This is actually the bike that I think I mentioned in the last video when I said it was going to give the CBR 250R a run for its money. This is the bike that I was talking about. Now, obviously I don't think that this bike is going to beat the CBR, but what I am saying is, geared correctly off the line, sheesh, I mean, it could be a close one. Like they pull. I mean, there's no, like, it's like the saying goes, there's no replacement for displacement. That is true, but when you got a motor that's properly stroked and poked, I mean, this one's not getting a stroker kit, it's just getting a big bore kit. But 186cc, 250cc, it's not that far off. So if you can pull it together in the gearing, I mean, for a short hit, you might be able to get out in front. But that's not what this video is about. I just wanted to pretty much show you guys like the catastrophe that could happen inside these motors. You guys got to make sure when you're doing these rebuilds, talk to somebody that's done the big bore kit or the rebuild that you're going into, and get some understanding on what you're going into, because this is something that could have been avoided had the person who did this build known that the stock crank can't handle that. You know what I mean? So like, it's good to ask questions. I don't care if I look like a noob. Sometimes I ask questions and people are like, haven't you been working on bikes, and isn't that what you do for a living? Well, yeah, and it's what I want to do better. So why wouldn't I ask the question if I don't understand? Taking these bikes apart, I ran into a lot of issues that were not explained. You know what I'm saying? Like, you get something in, sometimes you don't know what you're doing. I mean, if a shop wants to tell you they know everything, be my guest. Ask questions, learn what you're doing, get a good understanding of what you're getting into, because then you could avoid problems that become very pricey catastrophes for other people. So, in short, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little Friday update, let you guys know what's going on in the shop. I can't even keep my words together. I've been like shot in here. I was working on a YFC 450 that just, oh my gosh, that motor was sent back from somebody in the past life who hated me and wanted to like taunt me. It's just one thing after another with that thing. But we're going to get her up and going too. I'm going to get her up on the channel. I got a bunch of clips of getting that bike up and going. We still got a few more things, but that's not what this video is about. Let me know what you guys think about this Grom. If you guys have seen a Grom blow up worse, let me know. I mean, the transmission's got some dings, as you can see here. That tooth, that tooth, that tooth. She's gonna need some gears, definitely cases. But let me know in the comment sections if you guys have seen a Grom motor grenade like worse than this. I mean, I'm sure there's some horror stories out there. So let me know in the comment section if you guys have ever blown up a Grom motor. I did not personally blow up a Grom motor. This is not my bike. This is not my motor, not my build. This is going to be my build once it's put together. But like I said, let me know in the comment section if you guys have seen a motor blow up worse than this. And let me know how and what was the cause of it. But yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, click that subscribe button, tag along if you want to see this beast come back to life. And for those of you who are already subscribed, stay tuned, and stay tuned. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.